In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Google Doc on your mobile. To do this, you make sure you have the Google Docs app. So I'm going to search for it by typing in Docs. Okay, there it is. I'm going to open up Google Docs, and then I'm just going to create a new Google Doc, which is normally what you'll do, and click on New Document. Okay, here it is. I'm just going to write, this is a test document for YouTube. Okay, and you can write out anything in your document, add pictures, so on and so forth. I'm going to hit the tick mark to save my changes. Then I'm going to go ahead and go here, and then I'm going to go and click on share and export, and then I'm just going to click on copy link. Now I can go ahead and copy the link to your document and share it with anyone, okay, via message or Facebook or WhatsApp or so on. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.